of Christmas. All right. You should have already received a Google Doc that has the typing directions. You'll follow those typing directions, you'll type it in, and it should look very similar to this after you're done. If you haven't typed that yet, then you need to go and finish that first before you continue on. I'm going to be going over how to do the basic styling techniques in a Google Sheet, and all of these work in most spreadsheets. All right, they all have very similar tools. All right, first thing I want to show you, one of your directions says that you need to merge and center the title. So you drag select the title and all the cells that you want to include. Now, a cell is just the tiny box where you type your data, right? In this case, it's from cell A1 through cell N1. If you're confused about the name, A1 is right here. B1 is in this column, so it works like a grid, right? Now, to merge and center, it's very simple. You go up to this button right here, it says Merge Cells. You can click it, and then it should center it automatically. If it doesn't center it automatically, you just click the Center button, and it makes it that simple. All right. Then it also says to change the font and make it bold, and to change the font color. Right, to make it bold, same as you would do in a word processor. To change the font color, same as you would do in a word processor. You go and pick a color, all right, and then to change the font, it's the same place as any other word processor. All of that's the same. Now, to change the background of the cell, there is a fill color. Looks like a little paint bucket. You click on that, and I'm going to choose a green color since it's Christmas. All right. Now, after you finish typing, you may get a little confused. Your text may be overlapping into the next cell. In order to change that, all you have to do is go in between the column, and you can double click it so that it makes it the exact size, or you can drag it back and forth to be exactly where you want it to be. Let's say you want to change all of these cells because they may be too big after you type. Drag select B column all the way through the M column, and then you can drag it to make it smaller by pulling it to the left, and it does all the columns all at one time. All right. Now, that's how you change colors, change fonts, and make it bold. The last thing that is in the directions that you may not know how to do is to add borders. So if I were to add a border to everything, I would drag select the section that I want to add a border to, go to the border button, which is right next to the fill color, click it, and then I'm going to choose all borders. So I added it to this first column right here, and notice my quantity received is a little bit too big. So I'm going to make the end column slightly larger to make it fit. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here to this table. I'm going to add this and add that. Now you'll need to follow the directions. Again, I say to use to change the bold, to change the font by making it bold and changing the color of the titles of each table. I say to do it for all of the A column right here. Right? And you'll need to make your cells big enough to fit everything. You also may want to go and make your font sizes bigger. I'm going to make the title size 14. But this is similar to how it should look. Now, inserting an image is just like you would do in a word processor. You can go to Insert, Image. And then what's nice about the Google Sheets is you can go find one by searching. I'm just going to type in Christmas, or I'll type in 12 Days of Christmas. It'll bring it up. I'll select it by double clicking, hit select, and it should pop in right here. So if you have any questions, please come and ask me. I'll be happy to help you out. Just get it done. As soon as you're done with this, you'll turn this into Google Classroom. And I will see y'all next time.